Dear students, now I am going to discuss the formation of phenol from chlorobenzene. You will see that this one is chlorobenzene. It reacts with NaOH at temperature 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, forms sodium phenoxide, and which on acidification gives phenol. Let us discuss its mechanism now. So here you will see that this one is chlorobenzene. I have located the hydrogen atom at every corner of chlorobenzene. Now this hydrogen is acidic because you know that chlorine is an electronegative element. It will pull its electron. As a result, this hydrogen can leave its position easily as H plus ion. Now in OH minus of sodium hydroxide will attack to this hydrogen and water molecule is eliminated. Now once water molecule is eliminated, then there will be a negative charge here, and you know that as this negative charge will go to this position, chlorine will leave its position. As a result, what will happen? If chlorine will leave this position, then there will be a positive charge and there is a negative charge. So at the same time, there is a formation of triple bond, so called benzene, and you know that benzene is unstable because you know that rarely it is seen that there is a triple bond, but it is possible because carbon having four valencies. So four valencies of carbon is satisfied, so it is possible to form a benzene, but this benzene is unstable. Now what will happen? So if this pi bond will shift to this position, then it will here it will be a positive charge, and if this pi bond will shift to this position, then positive charge will be developed here. Now we have shown in this diagram that this electron is shifting in this position, so positive charge is developed at this position. Now at the meantime, another molecule of NaOH will go and OH minus will attack at that position, positive charge, this one. So as a result, what will happen? That OH minus will attach to this position. So you can see here OH minus is shown in this ring. Now this H will transfer to this position, and you know that why? Because oxygen is electronegative element. So if this electron will be pulled here, then there is easy to eliminate H plus ion, and which will come to this position, that means ortho position. So here is a transfer of proton. You can see that proton transfer. Now after that, what will happen? So here you will see that O has taken electron, therefore O becomes negatively charged and H is attached at this position, ortho position. Now what will happen next? So you have taken NaOH, so of one of Na plus ion will attack to this O minus ion to form sodium phenoxide. You can see here sodium phenoxide formed. Now this sodium phenoxide on acidification, that means reaction with HCl, form phenol. So you have seen that from chlorobenzene to phenol I have shown the whole mechanism. So repeating once more, you can see that here chlorobenzene reaction with OH minus, so here negative charge is developed, and as soon as the Cl will be left this position, there will be a triple bond between benzene this position, and the formation of benzene unstable molecule, and another molecule of OH minus will attack this position. So OH minus you can see here. Now after that there is a proton transfer, that means shifting of hydrogen here. So hydrogen is shifted here. Now Na plus will attack to OH minus ion, and as a result sodium phenoxide formed, which on acidification gives phenol. So I hope you understood well the mechanism of formation of phenol from chlorobenzene. Thank you very much.